Very well, now we have seen how to customize our component. So we're going to move forward in the project, i.e. we now need to display the amount, display the expense item, and display the date. So we're going to find ourselves in the expense item, and we're going to be able to remove that. What we're going to do now is add a parenthesis. You'll see that it's marked differently if you just put a div, and in the div you just put the amount, i.e. 290 euros. Then imagine you want to put another div, even if you mark it inside, imagine insurance, you'll see that it's marked in red. So how do we do it? It's very simple. We'll keep our current div, and in this div we'll put another div so that we don't get any errors. Here in this div we are going to mark March 28. That's the date of our expense. Then we add another div, and in this div we will put H2. And in this H2 we will put car insurance. And below that you will just put a div and we will display the price. 290 euros is the price of our insurance for the car. Here don't forget to put the semicolon at the end, it's very important. Very good, and after that you can save, very important. And then here you can see it's written 28 March 2022, car insurance 290 euros.